Hi, my name is Tim Gertzen, and I am your child's math teacher for Compacted Math Year 2. So, first of all, I want to say how proud I am that your child is in Compacted Math. That is an amazing sign. And our goal in Compacted Math in our math department is that they can do all Math 1, 2, and 3 and Pre-Calculus in 2 years, the first 2 years of high school. And because of that, they have math every day. So every morning at 8:40, they have math every day. Uh, and we go through math 3 topics, math 2 topics, pre-calculus topics. And the big goal of what we're doing is to prepare them for calculus next year and hopefully 2 years of calculus, and to prepare that they are totally on track to go to university. And I have four children myself, and so I could see like the pride when they get to high school. My children are not in high school yet. When they get to high school, and to know that they're at a level that's this level, that if a child is in this class, they are one of the top students in their class, and they are definitely on track for university. My goal is to prepare them so they could major in science or technology, engineering, math, medicine, business. So many now require a level of mathematics and even a year or two of calculus that you may not expect. And this allows all of those doors to stay open when they go to university. So first, I want you to know that how proud you should be of your child that they're in this math and willing to do the challenging work I'm asking them to do. So in front of us here is the syllabus for Compacted Math Year 2, and there's a pre-calculus part to it. So technically, one day is Compacted Math Year 2, and the second day is pre-calculus. Just know I don't treat them separately. It's one complete class where I see them every day. In your grade book, this might be a little confusing, but in your grade book, the Compacted Math Year 2, that grade book is consistently updated. So every single day, the best I can, please email me if you see something that's wrong or something that you have a concern about. I want to address those as soon as possible. I try to take pride in emailing back very soon whenever I do get an email, matters what time of day it is and stuff like that. Pre-calculus is also part of it, but the pre-calculus grade, which is period 5 in your grade book, that is only updated when I need to put a progress report or a quarter grade out or a semester grade. Know that whatever grade they're getting in Compacted Math Year 2 is the exact same grade they're going to get in pre-calculus. It's not going to be updated at the same time. So you can always go to Compacted Math Year 2 and know their grade and know what's happening. I consider it one class. Excuse me. And so if you notice that pre-calculus is different, I should drink a glass of water. It's just that it doesn't get updated as often. So you always know the grade in both classes by just checking Compacted Math Year 2. All right, let's look through here. Goodness, as soon as I do a video, of course, my throat would do this, right? Okay. So this class is instruction with me every day. It's all through Google Classroom. You don't have access to Google Classroom, but your child does. And you have every right to ask your child to log into Google Classroom so you can see what due dates there are, the work they need to get done, what they're not getting done. Check Synergy out. If you are not on Parent View, you need to be. If you don't know Parent View or how to get a username, login, all of that, register for it, that is what our school is for. So you have to call the school and have someone help you so that you can access Parent View. There's an app on your phone. It can be accessed on the computer, and you have access to attendance, to their grades, everything, whenever you need to. So Compacted Math Year 2 and Pre-Calculus is all very high-level mathematics right before calculus. There is zero expert. If you want to help your child through the math and you have the ability to do that, I love that. But the expectation is that that you create a structure for your child so they can get their work done. So like there's a time during the day where they get their work done. Hopefully maybe it's quiet in a nice spot and do the best you can. I know it's not always easy, trust me. But you create a structure so they can get their work done. Whatever work I give them a lot of support where they don't need any other help. Their homework, I have homework videos that go through every question with them so they always have support and they can always get their work done. And if there's any issue, please email me so I can help that out. So this year they're getting credit in compacted math year 2 and pre-calculus, so they're getting 20 credits in math this year. That's amazing. By the end of their 10th grade year, they'll have 30 credits in math, including their freshman year. So that's all you need to do to graduate from high school, by the way, by the end of sophomore year. But they're far more than just a high school graduate at this level. It's amazing what they're going to be. Trust me. I'm excited. And I'm really happy for this group. I've been excited to teach this group online. Material needs, they know there's module books. There's to pick up if you haven't already. There's going to be the second module book is actually already right now at school to pick up whenever you feel. It's going to be out the curbside to just go by and pick up, but your child knows that. To be able to have a math notebook and pencils and erasers and graph paper if you have it, but you don't need it. If you don't have it, you don't have it. But if you have some graph paper, that's great. I expect that they're going to be in my class every day. I expect that we communicate all the time, that they don't hide behind Zoom, and that we work hard together. My goal is not to overwhelm them, but to support them for the whole period. And I'm not just going to be online for 20 minutes with them. So I'm there for most of the period, and I'm working and working and working, because I think that's the right thing to do, is to constantly, when you have math with me, that you're going to have support and get to work with me. And I think that's less stressful than not getting support. There's some things on academic honesty there to make sure that they're doing their work. There are things called math apps, like PhotoMath, where they can take a picture of a problem and it does it for them, and they just put the answer in. So we're trying to avoid using that. Like, they need to know how to do the work without an app doing the work for them. But I know there's apps out there. Their grade, there's one thing missing in here. Maybe I grabbed the wrong one. So this has been updated. There's one more thing that needs to be part of it, and it's on alex.com. It is worth here. I'm trying to think where that was. Let's see if I can find it here. I think this is. See if this is the better one. That has the. There it is. So that's what I was looking for. So this is the updated one about how's your grade broken down. Most of your grade is just doing your work. Then it's Edpuzzle is a website where you watch a video of mine and answer a quiz inside of there as the video is going on, so you get a second chance to go over the lesson. Alex.com is a website where you can practice math skills and that they have learning topics to learn. And then at the end of every unit, we do a project together, and that's part of their grade. So that's how their grade is broken down. Is there anything else here? Oh, the last page is even empty right there. So that's all I have to share. I just want to make sure that as much as possible that you tell and I know that how proud you are of your child, that they're in a high level of math. They're on their way to university. I truly believe that. I am here to support them with their math needs and to support them with math as best I can. And if you have any concerns, please email me. I want to help. I want to communicate quickly back and figure out what the challenge is. And I want your child to get a great grade and feel confident in math and keep going forward. Anyway, and sometimes I'm called Mr. G Math. So if you say Mr. G Math, that's me. Anyways, thank you. And until next time, I'm here for you if you need me. Thank you.